Hello everybody, welcome back to Gamerstick. So guys, in this video, I'm going to unbox a trimmer from Xiaomi. The model number is Xiaomi 2C. I purchased this from Amazon for around 1,200 Indian rupees and it got delivered today. I'll put a link in the description below if you want to check this out. So let's unbox it. So here is the box. As you can see, the model number is here, Xiaomi Beard Trimmer 2C. In the back, the price printed here is 2000 rupees. So inside the box, we get the user manual, there is a small brush to clean the trimmer, a soft pouch where we can store the trimmer itself, a clip, and a USB-C charging cable. It also supports fast charging. And finally, we have the trimmer itself. In the bottom, there are some details about the product. In the back, we have the USB-C charging port and Xiaomi branding. We also get another clip. So this is the blade of the trimmer, which can be cleaned after using the trimmer. Upon clicking on the power on button, the trimmer turns on and the light also turns on to indicate the power, and through this wheel we can change various length when we want to shave our beard. There are around 40 length settings that are available for this trimmer. That is for today. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment down below and share this video. Also in the comments, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get future notifications from me. See you in the next video. Stay tuned until then.